It's getting soaked. Quick, fold them. This one's heavy. Almost done. Let's go inside. It's really pouring out here.
Yeah, let's get to the house.
Almost there. I'm soaked.
Me too, go on in.
We're home. Let's clean up.
Okay, I'll get the bucket.
Thanks. I'll help scrub.
It's working.
The rain is so peaceful today. I love listening to it. Look at the trees. This yellow one can go here.
Okay, I'll add this red one.
It's growing so tall.
Like a tower. Wait, come on!
Yeah, splash attack.
Look at the rain.
This rain is so fun.
Splash back.
Gotcha.